Today we're learning how selection sort works. Selection sort repeatedly finds the smallest element from the unsorted partition and moves it to the sorted partition. We start with 6 as our first element and assume it's the minimum. Then we check the rest of the array. We find 1, which is smaller than 6, so 1 becomes our new minimum. After checking all elements, we swap 1 with 6. Now, 1 is in our sorted partition. We repeat this process until the array is sorted. I will show you how selection sort works with animation. The blue box represents the sorted partition. There is no voiceover during animation, so watch how the numbers move. The array is now completely sorted. That's how selection sort works. This is selection sort's time complexity, O of n squared, because we need to check every element for each position in the array. Thanks for watching.